Okay, we're live on Twitch and YouTube. We'll give just a second here. Just a second. As always, I have no idea what makes YouTube take that much longer, but it's fine. We're live. Good morning, everybody. I'm Alex. Today's Wednesday, and welcome to the pre-work stream. We are about 10 minutes late, unfortunately, but that is because I have excellent news. Well, maybe it's really bad news for you if you're a very dedicated viewer of this. Oh, who am I kidding? I get a new job. I just signed the offer letter, uh, not 10 minutes ago, and yeah, it's gonna be really awesome. I don't think I don't want to divulge all of my secrets and everything here, but I'm really looking forward to it. It's gonna be starting like in 3 weeks from now, 3 weeks or the 23rd, something like that. So um, yeah, it's gonna be really good, but it's 4 days a week on site, 1 day remote, and that is going to put a little damper on the consistency of my streaming. But I know that there's an undying love for content of me out there. So say I. So with the increased amount of commuting I'm going to do, and the commute is quite a doozy for right now. You guys are probably going to be getting some really really interesting, very thoughtful, insightful podcast content from me on a regular basis. So look forward to that. Look forward to that. Anyway, enough dillying, enough dallying. It's time to get crack a lacking with our tea. Got some more of the Czar's tea. This is kind of at the end of it. I Second thought, I probably should have refreshed my tea this morning, but it's still okay. So join me now for the unparalleled pleasure, the dopamine hit of the day. Thing that makes everything better. It's called the simultaneous drink. Go. Okie dokie. So let's stop effing around. get on with it. Um, we have now a time limit to finish up this stupid to do list app before before I get my new job, and development on this, at least on stream, slows to a crawl. But we shall see. I do have. I gave him like my 2 weeks notice to my current place of employment, um, and I'm going to be taking like a couple of extra days in between. So that might be, we might get um, some long ass, all day long streams of cranking out the end of this to do list app, because I know that is what the world is really dying for, is that kind of hardcore streaming content, and I aim to please. I aim to deliver. I'm like super amped up today because I'm happy about the new job, but also I just had my matcha, so I don't know. Usually I'm not like this excited, but today it's worth it. Today it's where we're at. Okay, so where did we get to last time? Right, we had this stupid problem here with the with this thing that I could not quite figure out, and it wanted us to change a bunch of our structs to get them to conform to stuff. Um, so I'm going to let me just pull up Grok here. I'm going to pull up the Grok history. I don't like pulling that up on stream because you never know what is going to pop up on that thing. Um, is this it? This is the one. This is the chat where I was trying to figure out. Oh yeah, in Supabase, how to fix the the UUID type, but I think it also has, yeah, I think it's got the thing we're looking for. It's right here. Okay. I'm looking to avoid getting pwned, end up on live stream fails. Not that I know what that is. But here we go. How to call this view from parent, blah blah, make this view generic, blah blah. Refactor item list to @observable. Let's see. What the hell is this thing saying? Or fetch from super. Oh yeah, no, you know what? I do remember what we were gonna do last time. I gotta leave like notes for myself. Because the real thing, I guess it's not the immediate thing, but what we do need to do is somehow be turning Supabase into the single source of truth for assigning UUIDs, because we cannot reliably, well, and the whole point of UUIDs is that there are no collisions, right? But there could be, like there technically, like there should only be one guy assigning these and ensuring the uniqueness and stuff. And if the back end is where everything is supposed to live, it should not be in the client. But I think first I need to figure out this Swift thing. Excuse me, I gotta blow my nose. Alright, and we're back. Yeah, I have to figure out what's going on here, how I can pass this the ID into here correctly. I mean, okay, let's. I know that we've sworn that we would never do this. I feel like I'm making some sort of Faustian bargain here. A deal with Mephistopheles, but we are going to open up Xcode and see what the Mr. AI in here says that we should be doing. Yeah, so we'll give that a second. Generate fix for issue, please. How about you tell me what the hell is going on? But item list is an array item. Oh, I'm an idiot. It's because we're not even passing item. We're not passing in the ID at all, because it's just item array. It's not item list struct. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, that is okay. Yeah, so clearly OOP is to blame for how stupid this is. Going. List ID. Oh, did it just vibe code me the did it just vibe code that all correctly and add in the no, because it's only in one file. Okay, well, okay, good job AI. I have to go add it to the category view though. Let's see. List ID. Whoops. Lists selected index dot ID. Incorrect argument labels in call. Let's see. Item list shown. Oh, it's in the wrong order. The order really matters. That is, I feel like, we, not in this century, it shouldn't. ID is a let constant. Okay, well, Let's see what you think about link when I change it to not one. Var ID equals EID. Bam, bam, wham, thank you, ma'am. Get on the floor and jam. You see me on the microphone, girl, you got me in the zone. Boop, 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 doop, doop, call me your name. Boop, doop, coast to coast. Oh my god, I really should try being more excited more of the time. Makes these streams a lot more fun. I'm like so jazzed up today. This is the kind of personality that you really want to watch for your Swift UI coding streams at 8:30 in the morning. I know what it is that people want. Well, it's 8:20 in the morning, so not quite. But we can just tell. We can just tell. So let's make a category. Let's make it a real one. Dinner. Okay. So in dinner, let's add some tasks. Let's add like Chinese. Do like pizza. Burgers. Italiano. And the O is very important. We'll choose. We're getting Chinese tonight, chat. Chat, tonight is Chinese night. All right, so let's see. So we added the list. Good. We added, oh, we didn't add these. Damn it. Now, why could that be? Why would that be? Let's see. Is it because I didn't? No, I did try to do list items, insert new item. Oh, because this is not the right name for it. It should be name. Okay, let's try that. Good morning, USA. I have a feeling that it's gonna be a wonderful day. Oh, did that fail? Crap. Yeah, this is like the really annoying part about my little magic build build scripts here, is that this log is like irrecoverable. Okay, yeah, so that did not work. Okay. Item.text. Okay. Should be like here. New item, name, label and call have list ID. Wait, what? Okay, so that's not right. Okay, I'm not seeing any other failures here. Let's see. Okie dokie. Build succeeded. Yeah, boy. All right. Choose category. We'll do TV shows. How about that? All right, we got some good TV shows here. Twin Peaks. The Simpsons. Let's see what are some other good ones people like to watch? The Pit. I've heard people like that one. Okay, that's good enough. Did that work? Oh, it worked! Yeah, Um, well, there we go. Um, so I'm a little confused. Okay, all right. So let's try to figure out why it didn't work before, why it just worked now. I think it's because this one is allowed nullable, um, but so it still didn't it like didn't accept it when I had a different field passed in. Somehow like the massaging on one layer or the other, either on like the ORM side, which I don't think so. I think it's on like the back end API side here that Supabase is running. I think that is what is prevented those like bad requests from getting in. Well, there's no errors. Um, I don't really know, and that's a little disturbing to me that I could not tell you where those requests went to. I'm glad that we figured out the problem. Post 400. Yeah, these all look not like what we want. Yeah, I'm a little confused. Oh, yeah, I know. Leaked password protection is currently disabled. Yeah, there's no passwords. No passwords yet. But I guess there will be immediately. So, okay. What do we have to do next? So that works. That works. Let's commit that. Posting lists and list items to Supabase. That's a lot of buttons to commit and push, but it's fine. So let's see here. I think the next thing to do is probably create a session, or excuse me, add the ability to pull down stuff from the back end into. Oh wait, whoa. Oh no, yeah, those all should be the same. Add something, the ability to pull stuff down from the back end and into Swift. Technically, to do that one, we would want to have the user ID. So we want to figure out the session stuff. But that sounds like a lot of effing around with Supabase auth. Whereas the other one is like we kind of have to do, that's like mostly our code. And we can add it later. I think we have to do it now. Unfortunate. So let's look at the Supabase doc. Where is it? Here. Okay, so let's find this. So I think what we need finally is a sign-in screen. Sign-in screen. Everyone knows that every good app has a sign-in screen. Okay, so all right, 8:30. We've got some time, ladies and gentlemen. We've got some time, so let's try to figure out sign-in screen. So I guess first let us just poach the code out of one of these guys. Oh, that's weird. I thought that would be whatever. Sign in screen.swift. All right, let us get rid of all that crap. Are these supposed to all be named view? They are. Oh, how do I rename an entry? There we go. Sign in view. Excellent. Invalid redeclaration of sign-in view. Huh? What the fuck are you talking about? That can't be right. Okay, well, let's just try building there. Build succeeded. Yeah, I think it's full of shit. Previously declared here. Oh, yeah, because like, it's still seeing the old file. All right, I think. Oh, you know what? Because it's not, it's open in the other buffer, isn't it? Yeah, I think it's open in like a previous buffer. That's unfortunate. Whatever. Let's see. We don't really need this one for now, so that will be our 3. Oh, I guess I do have 4. I'm pretty sure my harpoon setup. Thank you, Mr. Prime Agen. Oh yeah, it does have 4. Yeah, it's fine. Whatever. Okay, so sign-in screen. Let's see. We don't need any of this junk. Yeah, everything's gonna start failing now. Yep. Okay, so yeah, I still don't really know. Do we need this crap? Good question. Do we need this? I don't really know what it does. Okay. Yeah, we turn confirm off. Okay. After a soup-based client is constructed, initial session from storage is loaded. Okie dokie. Token refreshed. Okay. Assign in user. Blah blah blah. Retrieve session. Alright, this looks very complicated, which is why I wanted to do the other thing, but you know, life is not done by doing the easy things. It is also done by doing the hard things too. Because we do not do them because they're hard, but because we can ask ChatGPT how to do them. Because this is making my head swim a lot. All right, let's see here. So, what the hell is going on in this thing? If URL, I really do not know. I don't think I could tell you. So what? Let's ask Grok what the hell actually is a scene delegate. What is scene delegate dot swift and app delegate? Because I have no earthly idea what those could be. With the app template using storyboard. Okay. So app delegate, very old. It says app wide events and lifecycle. Like auth session, that would make sense. URL, okay, all right. Okie dokie. Manages the window. Okay. Scene delegate dot swift per window per UI instance lifecycle scenes. Yeah, I'm not really sure I know what that means. This one kind of makes sense. This is like for some global stuff. This seems like, because I just don't really know what window management in an iOS app means. Like, what is it? I just pulled out my phone to see. Oh, awesome! We have a chat bot to block and block. Goodbye. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not really sure. All right, well, let's see. I think we start with this one, right? With the oh no, this is the scene delegate one, right? Fuck. Or is it? Or is it? In your scene delegate, that's what you do this. So that this like will pop up a URL some magic way. I suppose. Alright, let's see. So yeah, that looks familiar, right? What is scene delegate.swift? Oh, on iPad. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Okay, fine. Okay. Window plus root, blah, blah, blah. If your app doesn't need multiple windows, you still have one scene delegate. Either file. Okie dokie. Okay, let's see if we can find the actual Swift doc on that. I can see why they moved it to this thing, but also seems a little silly to me. Now, why on earth didn't we get this in our project? Do I have to... Who do I have to convince? It's not in here. Yeah, we like didn't get it for free. So I'm curious, again, part of this was to understand what the hell Xcode does. I'm curious, like, where it, like, would generate that. The hell is dwarf debug information for it? This is like a PDB. But they have a fun name for it. That's cool. Lots of compiler flags I don't care about right now. No, don't care about that. Don't care about that. Yeah, well, I don't know where this scene delegate crap. I certainly don't have one to mess around with. Okay, I need to not full screen that for a second. How is it supposed to, like, where is it supposed to come from? Like, I guess it doesn't really matter, but like, where? Yeah, whatever. I think that this is now wasting time. So let's see, where does this thing need to live? And source should each file be. At the top level of your main source. So in there. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so let's do app delegate.swift. Okie dokie. That's kind of what I thought they were, or I thought they would be. They are entry points in global. Okay. File, new file, Cocoa Touch class. Oh Jesus H Christ, what does that mean? Older projects, yeah, blah blah. Usually have not. Oh, oh, Wait. Okay, hold your horses here. I have a Swift Folger's thinking horses here, Mr. Jippity. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, all right, fine. So we don't need that. Okay. Well. All right, so this is our entry point, right? So then we can make an init here. Okay. We will run some stuff. And this is probably where we should move the Supabase config to, I would imagine. Actually, the way I use this, I mean, this define is just in here. Like, it's not actually doing anything to like make a connection. So all right, whatever. So let's see, what the hell did this thing want? If let URL launch options. Yeah, I'm not really sure what that means still. All right, can someone explain this to me in English? Okay. How would I set up Supabase auth using the Swift UI? The doc only says delegate file. All right, let's see. Yeah, so we did that. We should import Supabase. Good call. Good call. We should erase this crap. Store these. Whoopsies. Yeah, there should be in like a .env or something. Whatever. Fine. Okay, so this is what we want. On open URL. Okay. Module Supabase has no member named client. I'm still not really sure like what the hell this is doing. So all right, whatever. In your review model, directly in view. So we want to make like a button that calls those functions. Whoops. Okay. Yeah, so let's get rid of this. We want button. And now we want to launch into, what is it, sign in view. All right, we got 15 minutes, everybody. Task. And then we're gonna make this like really dumb. Assign, because I think I see what it's doing to like I think I understand what it's doing to call these that do Supabase auth stuff. But I still have no idea like what any of this magic crap does. Auth.session from URL. Like what does that mean? Handle D. I have no fucking clue. Oh, just got demonetized. Just demonetized. Darn it. Okay. Listen to auth state changes. In the view model. What the hell is the view model? God. I don't think we have that. But I do see, like, okay, we need to have something that is grabbing the session, and there could be a existing session. I think I see that. Fuck. Oh, this is annoying. This is a lot of crap. Deep links. What is deep link? Explain this deep links to me. Explain the concept of deep links to me. Let users jump directly to a specific screen. Oh. Interesting. Oh. How about that? How about that? Okay. Well, let's, okay, interesting. Very interesting. Alright, so I think we need to still do this thing. At state. Email. Is there an email type? Email OTP type. No. And then there's like something I can do with this one to make it like more secret. Oops. Oops. Let's not give a shit about that right now. sign up. Oh, we don't want this button anymore. Okay, so let's try. If I let's make it really stupid. So let's do some text fields. Damn, I really wish that I could. The complete of that was not such dog water. Okay, here we go. Okay. Now we will try, I don't think we need to do this now. We would do sign up, email, password. Call and throw is not worth trying. Well, the actual function has a try. Okay, fine. Main actor isolate global function sign up. Come on, outside out. Okay, so we need to move these in here. That's fine. No calls to throwing functions. What? Oh, is that not how you do it? So I have to do it still. Okay, whatever. That's stupid. I may as well have not written that function, or Grok may as well not have written that function. Okay, so let's try this. Let's see if that does anything. Build failed, darn it. What failed in this? 3 failures. Lord, how I wish the build errors were useful in the Swift compiler. What is going on? It's like it doesn't tell me anything. It just like vomits out all this garbage. I don't understand how I'm supposed to use this. Like cause it just vomits out like the full everything, like what it's passing into Clang, which fine, it can do that. But then like what the hell failed in here? Tell me the line numbers. God damn. Okay, but it looks like it's in here somewhere. Fuck. Alright, let's try Xcode. Let's see what that says. And of course, the thing we hate to see. The thing we hate to see is when it builds in here, it doesn't build in stupid on the command line. Here we go. Missing arguments. why would I have to provide? Ugh, man, I don't want to provide those in. And why did the LSP not catch that? That's pretty stupid. Um, if I look here, oh now it caught it. So what the hell gives? Because I really don't want to. I can put in like stupid default values for these, but that's not what I want. I don't want to be passing them in. Okay, I guess I can do that. Does that work? Oh, we've got like 4 minutes left here. Let's hope. Oh, it worked. All right, let's see. So let's type in foofr.com. Blah. Sign up. And sign in. All right, we'll just have to look at Superbase. I think that would have worked. Ooh, it didn't work. That is quite a shame. All right, well, we will have to figure that out some other time, I guess. So let's add those starting sign review work. All right, everybody, that is going to be it for today. I have to close out of all this crap. I appreciate your time. I appreciate you watching. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day. Get some good work done. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I know I'm supposed to say that. And I guess stay groovy. I will be, next couple weeks are going to be fun. They are going to be fun indeed.